Do you remember Nemo? The good news is he's been found thanks to the incredible bravery and perseverance of his dad. The sad bit is he's dying, no thanks to the impact of man's activities on the ocean. Clownfishes such as Nemo rely on sea algae for their sustenance and reproduction, but the algae are dying as climate change is heating up the ocean. But this isn't just about clownfishes or even our favorite dolphins. This is about saving humanity, as 50 to 80% of the oxygen we use on Earth come from the ocean, a large portion of which is produced by floating plants and algae. So you see, we also rely on the algae to remain alive. There is something we can do though, as scientists are investigating different ways to restore the marine ecosystem and slow down climate change. However, the ocean is vast and changes from place to place, so there is a multitude of solutions. With machine learning, it is possible to model the impact of different solutions on the marine ecosystem. The challenge is that machine learning requires huge amounts of data to train the algorithms to make smart decisions. The other difficulty is that marine data collection is incredibly expensive, difficult, and sometimes even dangerous. And this is where my research comes in. I am investigating wireless sensor networks for marine data collection. This enables round-the-clock data collection in such detail that is not possible through any other means. I wish at this point I can tell you that this is the silver bullet that can enable us save our oceans. But there are still challenges to be overcome due to the difficulty of transmitting information through water. The main technologies we have for doing this are either too slow, prone to errors, or travel only short distances, so that a sensor underwater cannot send its data directly to a user above the surface. The other challenge is that this is complicated by the fact that sensors in a sensor network operate on batteries, and the entire network becomes useless once the batteries run out. One way my research is addressing these challenges is by networking the sensors in form of relays so that each one sends its collected data to its neighbor, which forwards it to the next neighbor, and then it gets passed on until it reaches the receiver on the surface. Another technique is through clustering, which divides the network into groups so that each group can give its collected data to a designated entity called a cluster head. We have already shown that a clustering technique that can improve data collection by up to 42%. My hope is that by improving the quantity and quality of marine data collection, we can plan intelligent interventions to save our oceans so we can save Nemo and maybe, just maybe, save ourselves. Thank you.